Hey guys, welcome back. Today is my BoxyCharm Premium unboxing day. So if you're interested to see what I've gotten in this box, whether I liked it or not, whether this is finally the month I say adieu, stick around. We're going to get started in just a moment. Before we do, if you're new here, hi, I'm Annie. I am a 40-something lover of color who believes you can have fun with color at any age. That sounds fun or interesting. If you'd like to see a little more color on your timeline, if you love color and indie makeup as much as I do, as much as I know all my subscribers here do, I would love it if you would stick around and join us. Do keep in mind, I am not a trained makeup artist. I am just someone who really loves to play with and talk about makeup, especially indie brands. So if that's your jam, here we are. Okay, so BoxyPremium is a $35 a month subscription box. For your $35 a month, they promise to give you 6 products with a retail value over $175. The last few months have not been great. I mean, August was okay, not fantastic. But yeah, they have not been doing a great job lately. So I guess we're just gonna get started here and open up this box. I'm just gonna pull up my calculator app so we can kind of speed through the price of things, pull out my scissors, and yeah, here we go. All right. Let's go ahead, open it up. This is what it looks like inside. It's packaged very well this month. For a couple months they were sending things in paper and all of my stuff came broken or disgusting. Here is the card. This month's box is the BoxyCharm Glam Vibes Only box. And I already see one thing that I'm not going to be probably super excited about. So we're going to go ahead and pull that out now. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I will be. I don't know. This is the Glowing Vacation Skin is... Oh, Glowing Vacation Skin is inside this bag. This is the Coconut Coffee Scrub. I'm really not doing well. From Frank Body, I guess. Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub. Vacation, glowing skin? Right this way, babe. I'm a natural vegan body scrub here to give you vacation glowy skin all year round. With a blend of coffee and essential oils, I'll work my magic on stretch marks, scars, and dry skin to leave you as free as a palm tree. Exfoliates, smooths, and tones for real and imaginary vacations. Made with roasted coffee grinds, grapeseed oil, and jojoba beads. This retails for $18.95. Tested on babes, not bunnies, so it looks like it is cruelty-free, and it is also vegan-friendly, and this is a waterproof bag, so you can, I guess, put it in your shower and not have a problem. I'm going to go ahead and open it up because I think actually this is something I will use. I get very dry skin on my arms, so, ooh, I can already smell it. It smells very nice. Oh, that smells really good, actually. I don't know if you can see in there. It is definitely like a coffee ground scrub. That really smells good. I'm actually, okay, I take it back. I'm sorry. I'm actually excited to try this. I think this will be fun. So again, that retailed for $18.95. The next thing in here, let's just pull it out. Oh boy, this is the ice roller. The Kitsch Ice Roller. This ice roller is your new at-home facial. Made with high-quality surgical stainless steel, it helps calm inflammation, increase blood circulation, and alleviate sore muscles, tension, and headaches. Recommended daily use for best results. I don't know. It says thoroughly cleanse and dry your skin, remove ice roller from freezer, and allow to sit for a few minutes. For additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask. Start treatment by rolling along cheekbones outwards towards hairline. Slowly move up towards your eyes and roll under eyes upwards. Roll from center of chin outwards along to... I don't know, you guys. I'm not into these kinds of things. I find them to be very gimmicky. And I mean, clearly you keep it in the freezer, which means then you have to go get it to bring it in to your room to do your kind of thing. And I just don't know that... I'm into this kind of thing. Have any of you guys used something like this? If you did you like it? Let me know down below because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or not. Again, this does retail for $18. It's quite heavy. It feels kind of nice in the hands. I don't want to put it on my face because, again, I'm not sure that I'm actually going to keep this. But yeah, there's that. So that's weird, gimmicky weirdness. Next up, I'm going to pull out the Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment. So again, this is a hydrating and lightweight. The Brilliance Facial Oil from Emma Hardy massages deep into skin so you can achieve a natural looking glow. Multi-active, this formula is crafted with potent essential oils that soothe and purify skin, while camelina oil offers antioxidant protection from free radical damage. Now you do have to be a little bit careful with essential oils sometimes in skincare because they can be irritating. People always think that natural is better. I don't necessarily always agree with that because whether it's natural or made in a lab, it's still a chemical and it can still be a problem. So this one contains orange, mint, vanilla, geranium, chamomile, lemon, rose, lavender. Yeah, so there's some things in here that could be a problem if you have sensitive skin. The skin on my face is really not that sensitive and I've never had a problem with like citrus in my skincare before. So I might go ahead and try this out. But if you have sensitive skin, this probably will not be something that is good for you. This, I didn't say, this retails for $55. I can tell you right now, this is not something that I would buy, and I would definitely not pay $55 for something with this many essential oils in it. I think it's kind of risky. Next up is something from Ole Henriksen. This is the Fat Glow Facial. This is Get Flawless Skin in a Flash with the PHAs, the no downtime exfoliating acid and key ingredient in Ole's first one-step at-home facial. What makes FAS so special? They're fat, literally, like AHAs. FAS delivers skin-perfecting, age-fighting results. But FHAs are just a little plumper. They're a bigger molecule, so they don't go as deep as they loosen up the glue that binds the surface layer of skin together and reveal the newer, fresher skin underneath. That means less irritation and recovery time for everyone, even sensitive types. This retails for $50. Now this does sound very interesting, so I'm definitely going to be interested to use this. Let's see kind of what it says to how to use it. So apply an even layer to clean, dry face, massage until it transforms from pink to white. Leave on for 15 minutes, remove with a damp washcloth. Use 2 times per week, day or night. So yeah, I'm interested to hear this. It says it can be used before makeup application. So maybe like in the morning. I definitely don't have time to do it in the morning except on the weekends. But yeah, I'll give it a try. That sounds interesting. Again, this box is not really thrilling me though. The only thing that I mean, this is nice. I wouldn't have bought this on my own. And this is nice and it sounds very interesting, so I am interested in that. But so far, I'm not super excited about what's in here. Next is the Marc Jacobs Beauty Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer. The Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Lacquer is formulated with a breakthrough triple shine complex and high performance polymers that transform color pigments into hydrating gloss, enriched with antioxidant rich superfoods and cell repairing phytonutrients, plus vitamin A and C, unprecedented shine and unstoppable wear. This retails for $29. I don't typically buy things from Marc Jacobs because they are not cruelty free, so this is definitely not something that I would have purchased. I have mine in the shade Allow Me. Let's go ahead and open it up if it will allow me to. And it looks like it is just like a pink kind of sparkly gloss here. This is probably something that I will use since I have it. I would never again have purchased it. It has like a minty smell to it. And let's just kind of swatch it here. Yeah, that's a nice shade. I think I would use that. Now that I've swatched it, I have no choice. But yeah, I think that's actually a pretty nice shade. And it does look very glossy. I just kind of want to feel, it feels a little sticky, but sometimes, you know, in a swatch, it's a little different than when it gets on on your lips. So I will definitely be interested to try that and see how it goes. So I only have one item left in my box, and this was one that every premium member got. And I have to say, looking at what was in base box this month, I'm feeling a little FOMO. I got a little FOMO going on. This is the Aloise Beauty, the Queen eyeshadow palette. The Queen palette possesses immense energy of life, femininity, and strength. Each color tells a story. Each color holds infinite power and carries a unique narrative. Our highly pigmented colors, which are suitable for all ranges of skin tones, are inspired by stories, tales, and legends of kingdoms, taking you through a journey in time from the past to the present, an era of femininity, grace, and power. A queen lies within all of us. This retails for $46. I am going to be 100% honest. Until this, I have actually never heard of this brand, so I have no idea what the quality will be. It does say it is cruelty-free, and it's 20 shades, 4 stunning textures, 8 buttery mattes, 6 shimmers, 1 pressed pearl, 4 metallics, and 1 duochrome topper. So it sounds interesting. The package is really pretty. I love how the Queen on the front is 3 different skin tones, which leads me to believe that hopefully this color story will be really inclusive. There that goes. Okay, this is pretty. It's pretty. I am going to say it. It's really pretty. Finally, I get a colorful palette in my BoxyCharm. Y'all know I have gotten like the worst, most boring color stories lately, and this one is really pretty. I think I'm actually going to use this. I thought maybe I might be giving it away, but I kind of like it, and I kind of want to use it, and I want to kind of see how it is because it's pretty. So yeah, I think that's really pretty. Let's go ahead, since I have decided I am going to use them. They did say that there's like a pressed pearl. I'm not sure which one of these might be a pressed pearl, because pressed pearls tend to have that really like interesting texture, and all of these shimmers look like they have kind of the same texture in the pan. So I'm just going to go ahead and I guess swatch, let's see, I'm going to swatch Sovereign, which is this kind of beautiful turquoise shade down here, and then maybe Monarch, and then let's do one of the lighter shades. Let's do Powerful. So this is Sovereign, this is Monarch, and this is Powerful. And let's just go ahead and kind of swatch them. I guess I'm going to swatch them here because my hand is sticky from that lip gloss. There they are swatched out. And they do look very pretty, I will say. This shade here is really pretty, and so is this. So, and they feel nice. They have kind of like a buttery, kind of smooth texture to them. And I guess just for funsies, let's go ahead and swatch some of these mattes as well. I'm going to go with the shade Empress right here, and then we'll go with Majesty, and there are a lot of pink tones in here. That kind of makes me happy. Let's go with Kingdom. Let's go with a kind of more neutral one. Again, these feel very soft and smooth, and we'll go ahead and swatch them here. So this is Empress right here. This is Majesty, not the best matte swatches, but again, I'm swatching on my hand, which is a little weird. And this is Kingdom. So there's the swatches there, and I think they look very interesting. I will be interested to see how these perform. I think I'm going to go ahead and use this tomorrow when I get ready for work, and we'll see what I think. But I guess that is everything. Let's go ahead and just kind of add everything up. So let's pull out the card again and kind of go through everything. So the palette was $46. The Ole Henriksen was $50. The Emma Hardy Brilliance Facial Oil was $55. The Kitsch Ice Roller was $18. The Marc Jacobs lip gloss was $29, and the Frank Body Coconut Coffee Scrub was $18.95. So altogether it totals up to $216.95, which is more than they promise, so that's good. I think last month I was a little light. That's delightful. Lipstick. I was a little light on as far as the value went, so I guess that's good. And I did get a couple of things that I'm interested in. I mean, I'm very interested to try this, Ole Henriksen. I think it'll be interesting to see how that works. This is really pretty, so I am excited to try this one out. And yeah, I'm gonna use this tonight and see how that goes. As far as the lip gloss goes, I could take it or leave it. I have a lot of lip products. I'm not wearing a lot of lip products right now because masks. This ice roller, not for me. I probably will not keep this. And I'm a little concerned about this one just because of the high amount of what are they called? Essential oils in this one. So yeah, that is everything. I realize I'm kind of like all over the place today. I'm not in the best frame of mind lately. So yeah, anyways, that is everything. I should have my Boxy Luxe coming hopefully soon. It hasn't even shipped yet, so we shall see. And when that one shows up, I do plan on doing a giveaway attached to that video, so stay tuned for that one. And if you did enjoy today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button down below. While you're there, scooch on over, hit subscribe. Next to subscribe is that bell. If you ring that bell, you should be notified of all of my uploads. And of course, you can also find me on Instagram at @SeeMyBliss_beauty. If you leave your house today, please, please, please remember to wear your mask, wash your hands, be kind to your friends, be kind to your neighbors, be kind to your family, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.